Oh, oh yeah, that's a big one. Come on, buddy. All right, guys, this is Dave with Pro Fishing. I'm here at Walmart. We're gonna do a budget fishing video. We're gonna try to keep it below 15 bucks. We're gonna try to stay real cheap. Out of Walmart, and this is what we got. We spent, oh, where'd I put the receipt? I just had it. So y'all see what I got here. So I just spent, let me turn the camera around so you can see here. Cover that right there. So we just spent a little under $15. We're at $14.71. And for that, we got, of course I had to get Gatorade. I had to stay hydrated. Got a pack of lures. And we got this Zebco reel, rod and reel combo. So we're gonna see what we can do with this. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So we're back. We got to the spot. We just left Walmart, and we were able to pick up a package of rigged twirl tails, i.e. Mr. Twister. And I got this Zebco slingshot right here and of course I got myself a blue Gatorade for 14 bucks. So we're well under the $15 challenge. So we're gonna rig this up real quick. I'm gonna show you guys that minimum amount of money you can get out here and catch these fish. So let's make sure that's tight on there. We'll cut this plastic off. You guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there in the bottom over here. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you turn on all notifications, so that every time I put out a video, YouTube will notify you so you don't miss anything. This is gonna be an interesting day. I got a couple more videos I'm going to put out that I think are going to be really interesting. I'm just threading the line up through real quick. So the rod and reel was $9.98, and the pack of lures was $1.98 as well, I believe. So we'll go ahead and get these put on. So as you can tell right here, I'll show you, I gotta take my knife and poke a hole through there. So I can tie the line on. And I'm just gonna tie like a super basic tie here. So what you do, you take your line, take your lure, you run it through, and then I just hold it like this, twist the lure around so it causes the line to twist. Then I take that end piece, oops, hang on here, I let go with my other finger. So you just twist it around take the end piece and just loop it through the hole. Then pull it back. There you go. And I just take my knife and cut the excess line. So we are good to go. Clean my mess up. Yeah, that's all in there. All right, so throw the hook. I guess I could hook right there. All right, let's go ahead and get this camera mounted. All right, guys, let's see what this budget rod and reel will do. I'll wait on these cars to go by. Slow right down to a crawl every time, don't know why. All right. We'll try over here. Yeah, there seems to be a lot of bikers out today. Got him. There you have it, folks. Budget fishing. What's going on? There we go, guys. Total $14 budget. Caught a rock bass. Not bad. We'll go ahead and flip him back in. Eyes aren't very red. I mean, they're red, but they're not very red. And definitely rock bass. Pretty cool coloring on them. Even with a budget rod, I still can't get it under the bridge on the first cast. A bunch of small fish. Edit that out. Yeah.
To get to Oneida, how would we get to Oneida?
On the trail?
No, we were supposed to get off on 46.
Well, if you follow this, oh man, if you follow this road right here, take a right and go over the bridge, right there's Oneida.
Okay, about how far down?
Like 2 minutes in my truck.
Okay.
Yeah,
Cool.
it ain't that
Alright.
far. It'll probably take you like 10-15 minutes to get there on your bike.
Thank you.
Man, it's
Thank
not, it ain't that far.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah, no problem. A lot of weeds in here. Well, let's go try the other side of the bridge. There was a hit. Boy, doing a lot of editing.
Any luck?
Yeah, a couple small fish. Some small fish. Nope, not yet. All right, guys, we're gonna go try another spot. Now let's give one more cast here. That'll do it for this spot.